Recording.
Are you gonna stand there the whole time?
I don't have to. I can leave.
You're gonna make me nervous.
Okay. I'll do it.
Should I just keep going?
But you'll be on your own thought. Yeah, you should do it.
Okay.
You should do it. You'll do great.
Thanks. Okay, so today I'm gonna try to film, and I say try as the operative word because I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but a fall floral tutorial for you. I love putting together flower arrangements. I am not a florist by any means. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing, but this is just the tips that I've picked up along the way and they seem to work. So I'm gonna take you step by step of how I create my fall arrangements. I also have this nifty paper that we have made that has all of the flowers and the names by them, but I assure you that I'm going to pronounce all of them wrong. So just know that. I will put the list of flowers I used underneath here and they'll be listed on the blog too. So the first thing you want to do is find a vase. This one's great. I love this one because it's plastic. It looks really fancy. So really anything will work. Anything that you love, feel free to use. I like to use something that's opaque because I prefer, especially when I'm doing a larger arrangement, to use what is called aquafoam. So this is aquafoam and this is how I get the flowers to stay put. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to like judge about how far in I want the aquafoam. So if you can see the inside of that, I'm just going to try to put this in here so I can clip the flowers and stick them straight in. So I'm going to just cut it and see what happens. The aquafoam also will absorb all of the water. So you're just gonna slide that in there. Okay, so now that the aquafoam is inside here, as you can see, it's just a great base for the flowers. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the water in. Okay, so now that the water is in with the aquafoam, I'm ready to get started, and I'm just gonna kind of like feel it out. I'm gonna start with the roses, and I'm gonna start in the center and go out, and kind of make a circle to make it more symmetrical. So when it comes to the roses, I like to just pull off a few of the leaves. I know a lot of times you're supposed to take all the leaves off, but I kind of like the way they look. I like the organic look of having some leaves on there. So what I just did was cut at an angle right here, and I'm just gonna place it in there. So I'm just gonna go first. This is like a really pretty one, a showstopper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like stick that right in the center. I think this is about as high as I want my arrangement to go. And again, that's the great thing about the aquafoam. Look, it's just like holding it straight up. And then I'm just gonna go around from there. So easy. See, it just stands straight up, which is crazy. And I'm telling you, without the aquafoam, this would really not be possible. As you can see, I'm done with the roses. They look amazing. Honestly, this itself could be an arrangement. It's stunning. The roses have already opened up so beautifully. So I'm loving what they're doing here. And now I'm just gonna add in a couple pops of color to like consider it a fall arrangement, and we'll be done. What I'm gonna do is I found these like little pretty, what are these called? These are orange Gomphrena, I think that's how you say it. I really like these because they have like a little bit of a darker pop of color than the actual roses, but they're in the same tonal family, which looks really nice. So I'm just gonna pop these in. I have a few of them here, nothing too intense, but just like little pops of color. I'm also a really big fan of using different flowers that have different textures in them. I think that always looks nice together. And then staying in the same tone family, I also think looks really pretty and upscale. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these. These are called pepper berries, and they actually smell a little bit peppery, which is so lovely. But they, I think they add a lot of character to the arrangement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add them around the bottom, but I'm going to take parts of them and wrap them around the roses. And that way it'll kind of look like the berries are interweaved within the arrangement. So I'm just tucking this in here and then taking these long stems and just wrapping them. Honestly, there's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing other than I think this is what looks nice. But look how pretty that looks. You see, just like wrapped, it's very organic, just nice and lovely. Okay, next I'm gonna add in just a little bit more color. I originally wasn't gonna use these. I used these for another arrangement. I had a few left over, but I think I'm gonna pop them in there because I think they make a nice little, like, it's fall. So this is called biking palms. They're great. I like that they look like little tiny mini sunflowers. Also, how nice would this be to bring something like this to Thanksgiving dinner? Like, instead of bringing a dish this year, I'm gonna bring the centerpiece or something like that. Okay, that's it. We're done. We finished and it looks so good. I think this is such a beautiful arrangement. It looks like a professional arrangement. At least I think it looks like a professional arrangement. But we did it at home and you can totally do this. All you really need is good quality flowers. And if you don't have a wholesale florist near you, call your local supermarket and ask them when they get their flowers in. So what day is their fresh day of like delivery of flowers? I will call my Publix and ask like, when do your flowers come in? Because I want to get my flowers on like the first day that they arrive. So I can't recommend that enough. Good quality flowers. And then of course, aquafoam, like I've said multiple times, and then an opaque vase. That way you can hide the aquafoam and kind of hide your secret of how you created this. This is something you can totally do at home and I hope you enjoy. And if you do try it out, let me know. I would love to see what you guys come up with. I think this would be beautiful for Thanksgiving, well, or any day of the week really. You don't need a special holiday for special flowers.